Welcome to this video on the fundamental concepts of electrical engineering. We will explore the core ideas that govern how electricity works. Electricity starts with the atom. Atoms contain positive protons and negative electrons. Conductors allow outer electrons to move easily, while insulators trap them. Electricity is the movement of these free electrons. Voltage is the electrical pressure or pushing force in a circuit. It pushes electrons forward. 1 volt equals 1 joule of energy per coulomb of electrons. We measure this pressure in parallel using a voltmeter. Current is the actual flow of electrons and requires a closed loop. 1 ampere is a coulomb of electrons passing per second. An ammeter connects in series to count this flow. Resistance is the internal friction that restricts electron flow. Collisions between electrons and atoms generate heat and light. Resistance is influenced by the conductor's length, thickness, and temperature. Ohm's law, the master equation, states that voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. These three forces are always in balance. Assuming constant resistance, higher voltage results in higher current. Circuits can be in series, offering one path where current is constant but voltage divides, or parallel, offering multiple paths where voltage is constant but current divides. Parallel circuits are used in homes. There are two types of current. Direct current DC flows steadily in one direction, used in batteries and smartphones. Alternating current AC flows back and forth in cycles, typically 50 Hz, providing safe zero-voltage crossings. Electrical power is the rate at which work is done, calculated as voltage multiplied by current. We measure power in watts or horsepower. 1,000 watts equals 1 kilowatt, or 1 unit of electricity. The beverage model helps explain power efficiency. Active power, the liquid, performs the real work. Reactive power, the foam, is a wasted byproduct that reduces system efficiency. Capacitors are used to balance the power. Transformers adjust voltage using magnetic fields. Step-up transformers increase voltage for long-distance transmission to prevent power loss. Step-down transformers decrease voltage for safe home use. Motors convert electrical power into motion. Induction motors are reliable for continuous industry operations. Universal motors run on AC or DC power, delivering high starting torque for tools like drills. Star-delta starters protect the grid by managing the large current pull of starting motors. They start the motor at lower voltage and then switch to full power once it is running smoothly. Safety devices include the Megger, which measures insulation resistance to prevent dangerous leaks. The RCCB senses earth faults and instantly breaks power if electricity leaks to the ground. The electrical journey starts with the atom as the source, defined by the rules of voltage, current, and resistance. Transformers and motors perform the heavy work. Master these fundamentals to respect the power and design the future.